Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install eFootball 2026 game on Android devices. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. First of all, open Play Store, tap on search for eFootball 2026 app and then tap on it. And this is the eFootball 2026 app. So tap on install button to install it. And here you can see that eFootball app is getting installed on my Android phones. And now you can see that eFootball 2026 app is downloading the additional files, that is of 2.38 GB. So just wait for it to get complete and then you can play the game. So I hope by following these steps you can easily download or install eFootball 2026 app on your Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.